What is up, YouTube, and welcome back to the channel. It is currently 14 degrees outside, much better than our negative 25s we've been having for the last couple days. It's currently 7:30 a.m. and we are heading down to Itasca to go fishing. We got kind of a little surprise this morning as well. It's snowing. Yeah, I'm gonna go fishing. You're going to daycare though. But it's currently snowing. We've gotten probably 1.5 inches on the ground already, and they say more snow accumulation throughout the rest of the day. So let's hope that means good fishing. Let's hope so. Yeah, you gotta go over there. We're gonna drop Brooks off at daycare, and then we're gonna head down.
Kick.
Something tells me this is where the fish are. I don't think I've ever seen houses set up this closely before. Like, they are so close to each other. This is insane. Alright, y'all, so we are out on Lake Itasca in North Minnesota, also known as like the headwaters. We obviously are where the fish are supposedly biting, according to the general consensus of every ice house on this lake is here. I already drilled the holes. Wasn't gonna make you guys painfully watch me do that. The blades are getting quite dull. So we're gonna clear off the slush and stuff as best we can. Put the house down. I forgot a shovel, so this is what I got to work with here. I brought skimmers though, so that's good. Don't want to lose my blade cover. The wind's kind of blowing that way, so we're going to set this up in such a way where we won't be bothered by the wind. It's also why I put my truck right there too, to kind of help block the wind out a little bit. Well, first fish of the day is a little perch. Didn't even have time to even get the GoPro on. Super light bites. So we'll measure that and find out if she's a keeper or not. I doubt it. Not a bad fish to start. Little 8-inch little perch. Perch number 2 for the day. All right, so we are absolutely slaying the perch right now, as well as there's a crappie in the bucket. Caught a couple bluegills. Basically a whole lot of perch, which are good eating. I mean, if they're big enough. We have a couple in the bucket over there. But figured for how fast these things are biting, I would just strap the GoPro on and see if we can catch on video catching a fish. So again, just using a Wonder Bread lure and a minnow, a crappie minnow, just small ones. We gotta go quite a ways down. We're in about 32 feet right now. We're at about the 20-foot mark right now. Vexlar is marking a lot of fish. Gobble right there. Jig a little bit. You can hear that ice building too, which is kind of neat. And fish on. Doesn't feel very big. I'm assuming probably a small perch or a little bluegill. And it got into the Vexlar. Yep, just a little perch. It's pretty much calmed down. Didn't even get the minnow. Put him back to swim another day. I'm starting to think they got the minnow. That is exactly what happened. And the lure got caught on my line. Never gonna catch a fish like that. There we go. This is technically not a lure, I guess it's a jig. But... oh, our little perch came back to visit. Might as well put a bigger sinker on that thing. Good bite. All right, got a little bluegill. It's actually a pretty nice bluegill, but we're not going to keep these because I like perch more than I like bluegill. Dropping her back down. They keep getting my minnow. I don't know if it's just a really small fish that I'm not feeling it, but like this is an ultra light rod, so I really should be feeling it, but I guess maybe not. Can't imagine the fish is getting, or the minnow's getting off on its own. First crappie of the day. That's what I'm talking about. All right, guys, so I am sweating. That is how warm it gets in here. Anyway, fish seem to have slowed down a little bit, so I'm just going to show you guys the ice house, especially if you guys are coming to this video after watching the video right before this, which is where we actually modified this trap to help or to kind of better fit my needs a little bit. So I'm just going to turn the camera around and kind of show you what we're working with here. All right, so this is a clam Nanook thermal ice house attached to a sled. It's pretty much just like any other ice house. The only difference is I took out the chair that was here, put a platform, built all this. If you guys want to check out that video, I'll leave a link to it down in the description, or just go to my channel, hit subscribe, and it'll be the video just underneath this. This flops up with storage up underneath. I'm currently running a just normal buddy heater on a 20-pound propane tank, and it is hot in here to the point where I'm sweating. Just a really dirty Fraybill bait bucket. I got a bucket full of fish here. I have a hanger in here for my coat. Just an LED light strip up top, which yes, changes color. Ran off a little portable charger, and then obviously I have a stand for a dead stick, even though I'm only running one right now just because they were biting so fast. I didn't want to deal with the dead stick as well as dealing with having a jig. I use foam floor mats. I still have yet to cut out the other panels with the holes to have a complete floor, but on a day like today where it's 11 degrees outside, it's actually really nice like this. And then I just make sure I put the buddy heater up on a 5-gallon pail or a milk crate or something, just so it doesn't melt the ice, and you know, I can still keep gear down here. It's not going to overheat. And this platform is kind of just turned into a catch-all. See if I can get a little more light in here. It's kind of turned into a catch-all. It's waterproof, so I don't have to worry about the water. I can pretty much just set all my tools and stuff I might need. Dinner, keep the Vexilar here, keep it out of the water. As well as there's stuff up underneath here as well. Storage, I got a trash bag. Don't leave your trash on the ice, people. Use a trash bag. But yeah, it's a pretty simple setup, but it works really well for what we need it for. Oh, am I marking something? No, we're not. Fishing was really hot there for a little bit. It's kind of slowed down a little bit now. Thank you guys for checking out this video. We were on Itasca for about 3.5 hours, and we limited out. So I'm gonna pack up, head home. A couple more days of fishing ahead of us still. Make sure you hit that like, comment any questions, any concerns, anything you think I should do differently down in the comments. Hit that notification bell so you guys can see when I post, and we will catch you next time.